All right, welcome back. So now that we're aware of what might be holding us back from getting on camera and being confident, let's get into reframing some of those thoughts and some of those beliefs and be a little bit more mindful of the way that we communicate to ourselves. Most times, your internal dialogue is going to influence feelings of nervousness or confidence on camera, even before you ever speak one word. That communication that's happening internally plays a big role. That's why I named this module, Tell Your Inner Critic to Pipe the Down. Our ego is there to protect us. It's a natural defense mechanism after certain experiences and observances. We can tell that part of ourselves, thank you, and pull back the control. And I want you to explore how your internal communication is and how it impacts your confidence, especially when it's time for you to get on camera. So first, let's acknowledge and actively pull back that control. The focus is going to be on cultivating mindfulness and changing your self-talk to one that's more positive and more empowering, because we want you to not just believe you can get on camera confidently, but believe in your ability to take on anything that you set your mind to. Confidence is a skill that can be developed through practice, mostly by nurturing a more positive self-talk and self-belief. Just from my own personal experience, I discovered the power of positive self-talk during a very challenging period in my life when I went through postpartum depression with my daughter. When I went to therapy, I learned how to face myself, and I did that by getting in the mirror and affirming myself and affirming my abilities and affirming my strength. And doing this more and more over time gradually built my confidence and empowered me to step into pretty much anything, including taking my own photos and creating self-portraits, or being able to be the person that can boost someone else's self-confidence when I get them in front of the camera. So start to embrace that positive self-talk through voice memos, going back and forth, having that dialogue with yourself, journaling, getting all of those thoughts out, or affirming yourself. Challenge yourself to dance in the mirror and visualize whatever it is that you're trying to take on, whether it's getting on camera or whatever you have going on. Visualize what that success is actually going to look like. And I put together a few journal prompts and affirmations to carry you through on your journey. But if you want to dig a little deeper, go into the next module, the Confident Booster exercises, and refer to the positive affirmations mirror practice. That's going to help you to further shift your mindset towards positive self-talk and self-belief, and practice those positive affirmations so you can further assure yourself. So take your time with that as well. And once you're ready, I'll see you in the next module.